Here is GrinGo app. So travel and explore Mexico area. GrinGo makes traveling abroad to Mexico easy, fun, and safe. Find services and resources that will help you minimize risk and create memories to last a lifetime. Unlike other travel apps, GrinGo makes it convenient to get you going wherever you need to go, all underneath your fingertips. Once you have arrived, now it's on you to experience all that your destination has offer. So this is an app for Mexico travel. Create user profiles, just log in, keep both your data and travel history stored. Register, translate, travel, currency, roadside, legal aid, ICE card, as I understand. And then you can just open it up. And yeah, here you have it. Then you can just be part of the GrinGo community. And then you need to create an account from